Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this Nigerian puff puff, please stay tuned. Welcome. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And yeah, welcome. Today's recipe is puff puff. We are going to be making juicy Nigerian puff puff. This is a Nigerian snack. I'm using plain flour. I'm using 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm using 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. I'm using cinnamon, and I am using vegetable oil. And I'm also going to be using 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So guys, I'm going to be using 2 cups of flour. I'm going to sieve my flour. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'm going to be using warm water as well. Warm water, not hot. So I'm done sieving my flour. Add my 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to add my salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to start adding my warm water bit by bit. So guys, you start adding your water, you keep turning it and turning it. You can also do this with hand if you prefer to do it with hand. So you keep mixing until you get to this kind of liquidy consistency, but not too liquid. You don't want it too runny. So now I am going to cover my mixture and I am going to put it under my oven. You just have to keep it at a warm place. I'm going to leave it in there for like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put it under the oven because you need to keep it in a very warm place. Oven is not on at this point, so it's not a hot oven. So guys, now I'm going to start adding our oil in the pot. guys, I've finished adding my oil. You want to have enough oil because it is a deep frying, so make sure that your pot or your pan has a reasonable amount of oil that will allow you to fry puff puff without the puff puff touching the bottom of the pot. So yeah, I'm going to put my oil on the stove and start getting it ready. Allow my mixture to sit for 20 minutes, and yeah, it is time for, first of all, I am going to mix it and try and let all the air out of it. Okay, guys, I'm going to check if our oil is hot enough. Yes, I think it's hot enough. Now I'm going to start adding the mixture inside there. So guys, once you put your puff puff inside the oil, you keep frying until you reach your desired color. I am happy with that color. I am going to start taking it out of the hot oil. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to place it on the kitchen towel to dry off. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Our puff puff is ready. This is the inside of our puff puff. It is very soft, yeah, Guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.